I bought this from Menards. It's an Xtreme wireless keyboard, and it didn't come with the. This is mine. It didn't come with one of these, so it's a certain frequency that it sends out. So none of this works, and it feels really hot right up the top over here. So I mean, it feels like a decent keyboard. I really can't give it a good review because I didn't even get it to work. But there's no baggie or anything that was over this. So I want to say the mouse is garbage. Don't go with that. I mean, if you're going to buy it because you're getting a mouse too, the mouse is like puny. The size of this thing. Kind of a joke. But my hands are big, so. But yeah, this is it. It's the Xtreme. I got it from Menards. It was, I think, $15, $14.99 to be exact. But buyer beware. Like, subscribe, comments, questions, hit me up.